ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Extreme Connect 2019. At this time, I'd like to welcome to the stage your SUNY Canton eSports athletes. From Xenonics getting in the back line here, they have to make this aggressive play. They have to do this now. They have to be able to just wipe the floor so they can move the payload to the objective.
The thing about eSports and its importance, it's what's happening. These players are getting $1 million salaries. Madison Square Garden, who's an extreme customer, said they run over 350 events a year. The hottest ticket, believe it or not, at Madison Square Garden is an eSports tournament. That is cool stuff, and thank you to this team. We really appreciate it. You guys did a terrific job.
Anna is getting a lot of kills here. Zekrom will find it, and that is the payload for SUNY Canton.